Everything I did this weekend, I've been putting off for weeks. Ever since I started working full time, it feels like I don't have time for anything outside of work. They give us 2 days off, and you're supposed to rest, run errands, catch up with people, live life, and I'm stuck thinking 2 days is never enough. Is this another trap? Like, it looks good. This should look fire, but it's lacking something. Wow, dude, I just woke up from like a 30-minute nap. I was laying back, my feet hanging out. Otto was outside sleeping, and I got woken up because a car had driven by. Oh man, I am tired.
Dude, what the hell happened to your wheel? Oh, from the van?
Things got a little messy. Definitely just gonna have to continue the vlog into tomorrow, Sunday, because I got about half as much done as I wanted to get done. It's actually quite irritating that this is the second time I'm washing dishes today. I don't normally wash dishes twice a day. I don't normally eat twice a day. Yeah. I started washing this mug and I was like, bro, didn't I already do this? Like, I already did this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sometimes washing dishes out of your car is just such a hassle. Which I see why people would just eat out, or they just don't necessarily cook. They may just boil water, or just make food that doesn't require a stove or a pan. Ugh. Stop it. Alright guys, so for today, we're going to try and knock out laundry, car wash, fully cleaning inside of here, pulling everything out, all the furniture out, and vacuuming, wiping everything down. Got a big sack here that I need to fold. I'm gonna go to my friend's shop, pull all my furniture out in my car, and try and get a deep clean going before it gets dark. It is now Monday afternoon. I just got through with Monday's workday. If you made it this far, I very much appreciate it. You should consider subscribing if you are not subscribed. I appreciate you guys for kicking it with me this weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.